package delivered, and it was what I thought would have been my exhaust solution. However, I'm going to end up returning it, and tomorrow I have the actual solution I intend to implement on the car. But don't worry, I'm not going to hold out on you. Here's what I had bought. I bought a set of the Ultimate Header ball and socket with low profile clamp that they have. Gorgeous craftsmanship. The package I'm getting in tomorrow is going to be the actual solution that gets implemented, because it's going to cost a third of the price and it requires 2 less welds to install it on the car. If there's a solution that doesn't require me removing the headers from the car, I tell you what, that's a win in my book.